Jaden Smith is officially above criticism. Greetings, every one of you guys that is watching this right now. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for not only watching these videos, but for commenting, subscribing to the channel, leaving likes. All of that goes a super long way, especially right now because we're on the hunt for 1,000 subscribers. So let's just keep on pushing and eventually we will be there. But yes, in the intro, I mentioned it. Jaden Smith is perfect. The guy literally does everything and he always has some positive initiative behind what he's doing. Most recently, news came out that Jaden is opening up a restaurant named after his I Love You food truck. And you guys are probably thinking, so what? People open restaurants every day, B. But the best part about this restaurant is Jaden is planning to provide free meals to the homeless. Overall, Jaden is just a great human being. It's so much bigger than the music and the sneakers. But anyways, let's talk about some sneakers. Today, we're talking about the New Balance Vision Racer Peony. Jaden Smith and New Balance released this pair on May 14th for $150 on the New Balance website. It was only a matter of time before we got a pink colorway in the sneaker. We've all been fantasizing about it for a long time. And I have to say that I am a big fan of this pair. Having the Peony colorway in hand certainly lives up to all the pictures that we saw leak a few weeks ago. But I don't want to waste any more of you guys' time. Let's talk about the features of the Jaden Smith New Balance Vision Racer Peony. Very different from the reworked version, the Peony colorway returns to that classic makeup of the New Balance Vision Racer, utilizing a mesh base for this shoe. But of course, on this colorway, that mesh is pink. And also we have those pink vegan leather overlays. Kind of looks like some sort of pink camouflage with those dark spots that are in there. Those overlays trace the foot and also surround your laces. You also have some of that vegan leather in gray, and that kind of looks like elephant skin. And right there in the middle on top of that gray vegan leather, you do have your classic New Balance N logo, and that is 3M reflective. Looking at the laces for the Vision Racer, you have that hard knit JanSport backpack strap, providing loops for the laces to go through. And at the top of those loops, you have a pull tab on the tongue displaying that Vision Racer logo. And you'll notice the laces for the Vision Racer, of course, are pink, but they also come with an alternate black pair. Also tracing around the shoe, you can see this liner right above that vegan leather, and it just says Vision Racer all around the shoe. Flipping the sneaker to the medial side, you kind of just have more of the same. There's a little difference in the structure, just with the way that it slants in, and that's just to follow the form of a foot. Also, I mentioned the tongue. It is extremely light. It's very thin. It's like just a small napkin resting on your foot. And flipping to the rear of the shoe, you have this synthetic layering at the back, providing another pull tab. This can help you get your shoe on or off. And you'll notice at the back, you have that NB New Balance logo. Okay, so I also mentioned elephants earlier in this video, and we might as well mention the elephant in the room. It's what everyone is looking at. This huge midsole on the Vision Racer. This is really a platform sneaker. That midsole gives you a great lift off of the ground, but somehow it doesn't overweigh the shoe. Like, this doesn't feel as heavy as it looks. And I love that the midsole is segmented, so you have this huge portion at the back, and then you kind of have that slit showing the gray, and then another portion, another slit, another portion. That is a beautiful design for the midsole of the Vision Racer. And saving the best for last, my favorite part of the New Balance Vision Racer will always be the outsole of this shoe. You just have this clear sole with alternating triangles for that traction pad, but what we're all really looking at is what is written inside. Sometimes it says Vision, sometimes it says Vision Racer, but the last few pairs have said, "Do you see it yet?" And I just think that's so cool that they have statements written inside there. And then you also have that pink NB logo right there at the toe. Okay, so we've talked at great length about the New Balance Vision Racer Peony. Now it is time to put these on foot and see what they look like.
Buckshot straight to my heart, I've been dancing. You to your shots and they hurt, now I can't play. Oh, I tried to dodge, this is what I'm messing with. Was my angel, was my God, and now you don't miss me. I just wish you sang for me. I just wish you think about me. I just wish this ring come around on your finger. I just wish these things would feel a little bigger, yeah.
I mean, what can I really say? This is one of my favorite silhouettes that has come out recently. I think Jaden Smith and New Balance really nailed it on Jaden's first silhouette with New Balance. And I'm very, very excited to see what comes next. I would love to see a Vision Racer 2, Vision Racer 3, 4, and just see him continue to build. But yeah, the fit is great. Like I said, this is a lot lighter than it appears to be. You would imagine that because of this midsole being as thick as it is, thick with 2 C's, that it would weigh down the rest of the shoe, but that's not really the case. I always go true to size when picking up a pair of the Vision Racers. So these of course are an 11 and they fit perfect on me. There's a snug fit, but there's still room for my toes to move around. And I didn't even talk about the insoles in this shoe. They're super comfy. They have those bumps all the way across that really provide some comfort for your foot. And you can see that great detailing of the recycled material being used for the outer lining. But yeah, that is the New Balance Vision Racer Peony. It's a beautiful pink colorway. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up a pair of this sneaker, and were you as hype about this colorway as I was? I know it's just completely pink, but that is a great colorway, especially for this shoe. Thank you guys as always for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment, "We run the city in these Vision laces." I love you, like the restaurant, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.